The adoption of the Industrial Revolution's early developments, like automated spinning and weaving, stalled, and their markets developed from the late 1830s to the early 1840s, leading to a financial downturn. Late period developments, like the prevalent adoption of engines, steamboats and steamships, hot blast iron smelting, and new innovations, like the electrical telegraph, which were commonly introduced in the 1840s and 1850s, were not powerful enough to create high development rates. After 1870, fast financial growth started to become a result of a new set of innovations referred to as the Second Industrial Revolution. New steelmaking methods, mass production, assembly lines, electrical grid systems, massive device tool production, and the work of progressively modern-day innovation in steam-powered factories were amongst the advancements. Starting in the second part of the 18th century, a small number of developments are directly connected to the start of the Industrial Revolution. By the 1830s, significant innovative advances had been achieved in the following parts. Textiles. Steam or water-powered mechanical cotton spinning improved an employee's production by an element of 500. The power loom improved an employee's production by an aspect of more than 40. Cotton gin output rose by an element of 50 when it came to drawing out seed from cotton. Wool and linen spinning and weaving saw considerable boosts in efficiency, though not to the exact same degree as cotton. Steam power. The performance of steam engines enhanced to the point that they used 1/5 to 1/10 the amount of fuel. Fixed steam engines were adjusted to rotary movement, making them appropriate for commercial application. Just because of its high power-to-weight ratio, the high-pressure engine appropriated for transport. After 1800, steam power had a significant boost. Iron manufacture. The usage of coke rather than charcoal considerably lowered the cost of pig iron and wrought iron production. Coke allowed for bigger blast furnaces, yielding cost savings. In the mid-1750s, the steam engine was first used to power blast air, indirectly by pumping water to a water wheel, permitting a substantial boost in iron production by getting rid of the constraints of water power. In the year 1760, the first cast iron blowing cylinder was used. Somewhat later, it was enhanced by making it double performing, permitting higher blast furnace temperature levels. At a lower cost than the finery creates, the puddling method produced structural-grade iron. It took 15 times longer to roll wrought iron than it did to hammer it. In the decades that followed, the hot blast, 1828, considerably enhanced the fuel performance of iron production. Maker tools are created. The first machine tools are created. The screw-cutting lathe, cylinder dull machine, and milling machine were amongst them. While it took decades to establish efficient procedures, machine tools made it possible for the cost-efficient production of precision metal parts.